Alright guys, let me see there what I'll show you what I've done. Apart from cut. Alright guys, we'll do a part 5. I think it's part 5. Yeah, part 5. Right. So far, let me know what I've done here. Put the water tank in. I have plumbed up the water tank. I have the heating system, the TRUMA. It's the COMBI 4E. I've it all plumbed up, and I've run the duct temporarily. So it's kind of like rough plumbed, and the heating was put in roughly as well for the duct work. There's a duct work here, sitting here, and over here. This one here will be going in here for the shower, for the bathroom. Obviously, it'll be cut off when they put the. It'll be all cut off and finished. This will be all cut and finished. And we got the gas line. Oh, so we'll put the gas line in too. This gas line here is running into the TRUMA COMBI unit. This bit of wood here is just temporary, just giving some support to the mat. We're obviously going to put in a square piece of plywood here, make it a bit more nicer looking. Right. So what I'm going to do is going to take off this board here, lift this up, and you can see what's going on underneath. All right, so we'll do this now, yeah. This here is all the, this is for the TRUMA system here, and this will all be getting in, once we get the cabinets in, the cabinetry is getting made up. I'll go on here in the bathroom, and so I'm just waiting for this to come in, and once that's all done we can stick this in place in situ. Right, other than it's just there temporary, so everything's like kind of roughly working, so I know what's working. Alright, let's get this board off and we'll show you down below. So what I did was I made this, so lift the bed off, we lift this off so I can work in the garage instead of been crouched in it all day. Alright, you come on down here and check out what we got here. Alright, we got the water into a 7-liter tank here. And then we got the hose into the filter, and then into our shear flow. It's 30 psi pump, and then into this accumulator, keep the pressure. Runs down, let's say, into our TRUMA. So we got the water in, hot water coming out. We've got the frost release valve here, and any air that's in the system. We'll go down here and we'll go through the floor. You see down here, it runs outside. It's the TRUMA. This is the exhaust, the venting pipe, known as a direct vent. It brings air in from outside, and the exhaust gases, moisture, runs outside. So the way I'm doing this is I'm running this one. That's one you saw the other side. That goes into the bathroom. The top one here, which is runs through the kitchen, the main area at the front of the van. And then this one down here is running up into the hallway just by the bed. I'm also in the garage. This pipe here, which I'm going to make good. It's not going to stay like that, obviously. I'm going to box it in. That's going to be a heater vent for the garage to keep it warm, stop moisture, stops mold under the bed. And so I got so far with the plumbing. This is the cold. Sorry, this is the hot water. This side here we go into the shower. This side here we go into the hot water in the tank, or on the sink in the kitchen. And then this one down here, this is cold water shower. And this one here is the cold water to the sink in the kitchen. Obviously it's going to be nailed in place when I'm finished. This is the gas line coming in and down into the TRUMA. That was shut off valve here. So this is a far. So we'll take a wee look around here. Got CTEK body box. Got a TRUMA COMBI unit. I've got our water pump. I've got our tank, and also the my wee freezer came in, a wee Dometic CRX 50 came in. I have the sink and I got the cooker. So at the minute I'm just waiting for the furniture, and then we can watch. I'll record that so we can watch that go in and install that. Finish off the wiring, finish off the plumbing, and just tie everything up. And then it should be done. But hopefully, I'd say by the end of January, we'll finish with the van. So I'll get more videos up for you guys to see. Just been quite busy at the minute coming up to Christmas. So anyway, hope you like this. Stay tuned with me. And on the 3rd of March, we're off to France. Well, getting the boat to France, and then we're off to Spain and Portugal. So stay with me, like and subscribe. Thanks guys.